Hello, today we're going to be reading Marsha is Magnetic. Although she knew that birthdays were just a measure of the Earth's rotation around the sun, other people had other ideas. Ooh, I'm looking at the calendar. It says October 6th. It looks like that's her birthday. Her mum was in full party mode, decorating the walls, making the piñata, baking and smiling, skipping around the house. Don't forget to hang out the invitations, her mum sang. Thus the big birthday party problem. There was only one solution. The scientific method. 1. Make an observation. 2. Ask a question. 3. Formulate a hypothesis. 4. Test the hypothesis. 5. Analyze data. 6. Make a conclusion. I think she's deciding what she's going to do for her party, so she's going to do it scientifically instead of... Step 1. Observe. At school the next day, Martha observed Christina. She noticed her study habits, sports skills, hairstyle, and sporting clothes. I wonder why she picked Christina. But no matter how she sorted the data, she couldn't figure out. Why is she so popular? Martha mused. Kids are just naturally drawn to her, her mother answered. Kids were not drawn to Marsha, or sometimes they drew her. She was pretty easy to sketch with her copper curls and hourglasses. Most kids drew a pretty good likeness, but as for liking her, well, not so much. Marsha's scientific experiments repelled people. Growing mold, studying slime, keeping rats as pets. Step 2. Question. How does Krista have so many friends? Martha asked. Maybe she has a great sense of humor, her dad said, or a magnetic personality. Of course, Martha thought. That's it. Step 3. Hypothesis. So Martha did what any good scientist would do. She ordered supplies. Overnight delivery. When her package arrived, she went right to work. She hammered and pounded and coiled and plugged. She measured and glued and stapled. Soon her creation was finished. And it was perfect. What do you think she's making? When Martha came down next morning, her mother said, My, don't you look attractive? I feel attractive. She sat down and clank. The spoon fell towards her. She pried off and tried again. Clank! I'll just have bread, she said, leaping clear of the refrigerator and the toaster. Oh, I think I know what happened. I think she made herself into a magnet. As she walked through the kitchen, objects flew towards her and stuck. Do you have anything to tell me? Her mother asked. No, Mum. Just planning a great day. Step 4. Testing. Martha walked confidently down the hall. Within seconds, Amy zoomed towards her. Hi, Martha said. I think I'm stuck to you, Amy said. Perfect, said Martha. Let's walk to class together. As they walked, Marsha noticed Amy's earrings. You like cupcakes? They're my favorite, said Amy. Mine too. Did you know that baking cupcakes requires a chemical reaction? That's cool, Amy said. Marsha handed her an invitation. Cupcakes in my house this weekend? Sure, said Amy. Marsha beamed. As they walked, more and more kids flocked to Marsha. By their watches and bracelets, through their backpacks and belts. Mother tucked and tied invitations to everyone that she could reach. A sculpture of students tumbled into the art room. Step 5. Data. Mr. Allen sorted everyone out by physically pulling them off Marsha. Marsha quickly sorted the data. Her dress was a success. By the end of class, Marsha tried to get up, but she was stuck tight. Oh no! As she tucked her free, Mr. Allen said, Maybe you should visit the nurse. Marsha was late to gym, but no one seemed to notice. Problem? Marsha asked. Mr. Feeney lost the key. Now we can't have the kickball tournament. Marsha knew just what to do. She ran to the nurse and retrieved her creation. This time she plugged it in. The magnet shivered and shook and hummed. The door quivered and bucked and banged. Finally, the doors burst through as the cart came charging through the flinging balls in the air. Children yelled and jumped and chased. Marsha quietly unplugged the super magnet and watched the hullabaloo. But soon she found herself surrounded by cheering kids. It was just the reaction she had hoped for. Marsha's birthday party was positively wonderful. She collected lots of data and presents, and even found some new friends. At the end of the day, Marsha concluded that the best way to make friends, step 6, conclusion, was just to be herself. Wow, that was a nice story, and I really liked the ending. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more books. Bye bye.